Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Clipchamp and confirming whether your project will use a free or paid export. This matters because watermarks differ. Next, import the video and inspect resolution and codec to avoid re-encoding artifacts. Once done, duplicate the timeline layer so you keep an untouched master. You want one working copy and one backup. That prevents irreversible edits. Make sure to set the project ratio to match the source, because scaling later can reintroduce quality loss. Now you tackle the watermark. Apply a crop or a scented mask to isolate the area, then place an overlay directly above the clip. Choose a solution, blurred patch, sampled color block, or replacement logo based on background complexity. Feather the overlay edge about 6 to 12 pixels to blend. This reduces hard seams. If the watermark moves, enable keyframing or motion tracking and adjust the overlay path frame by frame. These steps preserve surrounding pixels and keep the visual flow intact. Finish by refining the composite. Scrub the timeline, zoom in, and nudge the overlay until seams vanish. Then render a short test clip using your intended export settings, full resolution and bitrate, so you can evaluate artifacts. If the test looks clean, export the entire project. If you still see edges or flicker, try frame-specific clone stamping or re-edit that problematic segment. Additionally, re-export at a higher bitrate. One troubleshooting tip: if motion tracking fails,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.